Who the hell are you?
Oh, sorry. I didn't introduce myself. Never mind. Explain right now what you're making on Roblox Studio.
Well, you see this little character? Well, I want to make a game where you, click a button and you gain coins to buy pets and, unlock zones to get more coins so you can
That's
buy
the
more
most
pets
boring
and,
idea, but I
get
can't ruin
upgrades
this
to your
kid
character
dream.
to get more pets and,
Okay, I understand your idea. Stop thinking and start to develop your game. See you in a week. Hey, wake up.
Oh, I fell slept. So, about...
Don't tell me anything. I don't want to make this intro more longer. Let me check your game.
So, it's kinda unfinished. Maybe I don't have more motivation for this project.
Did you say motivation? Well, it's your lucky day because I'm going to explain how to have more motivation for your project.
Well, how?
Just keep watching this video. Hey, have you ever felt unmotivated to do something? Especially, developing that project you want to finish? Well, me too. Maybe you feel anxious, distracted, or you're just feeling lazy. Well, you are watching the right video. But before we start, I am not a psychologist, and everything I say should not be taken too seriously. Everything I say comes from my life experiences and information taken from books. And before we start, again, there will be a little secret tip if you watch this video until the end. What do I mean by this? If you're a solo developer, you might understand it. But if you don't, let me explain. When you start making a Roblox game, you begin by thinking about what genre you want to create: a shooter game, a tycoon game, a simulator game, or any other genre. Most likely, you want to create your dream game. After choosing which type of game, you have the freedom to do anything you want. It feels like having fresh air in your mind. In other words, it feels like a hobby. So, I think many of us have tried to make a game we don't actually like just to make a few bucks. But you end up losing motivation. Why? Because you're not passionate about that game. So what's the point of this? Well, make something you like. Not just a trendy game or a game that's popular on the front page.
But, you're wrong. You need to make trendy games to get Robux and views. You don't understand. That's how the Roblox...
Sorry about that. Let's continue with the next tip. We know that when we start creating our game, we always have to decide what to do first. Some people start with the most difficult tasks, while others begin with the easiest. If you ask me, neither of them are wrong. However, if you don't have a clear organization, you may get some difficulties. Without a proper organization, it might lead to stress. We definitely want to avoid that. So, what do I recommend? Very easy, if you ask me. Please organize your ideas. Whenever you have a task or idea to do, remember to write it somewhere before you start doing it. You can open a notepad, paper, or in any tool. Once you have many tasks listed, you can organize them as you like and decide which to do first. This can speed up your game development for doing that. Oh, also, your brain will be very happy if you do that, and your mental health too. If you feel really tired or burned out from developing, or you really don't want to do anything, well, no worries. You can take small breaks if you feel really burned out. Breathe. Get some fresh air and go outside. If you ask me, taking short walks is great if you're feeling stressed. Even good ideas can come to you when you're outside or walking. And remember, do not take too long breaks. You may lose motivation or become lazy and abandon your project. So keep that in mind. Most of the games you play are inspired by other games. So, if one day you feel that your Roblox game doesn't feel right or is just boring, you can play your favorite game and take a little inspiration from it. Unless you only play Roblox and don't even know what Steam is. Instead of playing your favorite game just for enjoyment, try analyzing it. You can look at the game design or see how it keeps the gameplay fresh and fun. Just don't copy it exactly. Or I don't know, do it. Most people don't care. Many Roblox games are copied from others' developers anyway. I'm getting off topic, sorry about that. In short, analyze your favorite game or any game and see what makes it so enjoyable. It's not necessary to copy the exact idea. You can develop another idea or improve it. So, imagine you've spent 2 or more hours developing your game. You've done a great job, and your brain might need a little dopamine boost to feel happy. So what are you going to do? That's right. Reward yourself. No matter how many hours you spend developing, even small achievements deserve a reward. If you ask me what kind of rewards, it's simple. What makes you happy? You can eat your favorite meal, play your favorite video game, or do something you really enjoy. Your brain will stay motivated since you've given it a reward. But, be careful not to reward yourself too much. Why? Your brain might start asking for more and more rewards, and if you don't have enough time or simply don't want to reward yourself, your brain might get upset and you'll become unmotivated. Yeah, kinda the same effects of an addiction, so, avoid rewarding yourself too much. Well, I'm going to share that little secret I promised at the start of this video. So, actually, motivation is not the key. And before you say, your video is clickbait, let me explain. The truth is that motivation is temporary, it doesn't last forever. Have you ever seen that quote, motivation is temporary, discipline is permanent? Well, it's actually true. So let me give you some advice. Use motivation as a key to unlock discipline. There will be days you don't want to work on your game, but wasn't that your goal? You don't want to do it just because you're feeling lazy. I'm not criticizing you. I used to be like that too. I don't know how young you are, but if you really want to be a Roblox developer, do it. It's not hard. And don't listen to those negative comments that say, actually, you're not going to be successful on this platform because Roblox is bad and I heard that from I don't know, but it's true. Yeah. So, bye. Have a great day or night.